Kia ora, and welcome to the first lesson in Simple Statements. Today, we're going to learn about singular versus plural. We'll start with the definite article, the. When talking about one thing, you say te. When talking about more than one thing, you say ngā. Te manu. The bird. Ngā manu. The birds. Te whare. The house. Ngā whare. The houses. Te ngeru. The cat. Ngā ngeru. The cats. Te kuri. The dog. Ngā kuri. The dogs. In English, we normally add an S onto the end of words to express more than one. In Māori, the word generally doesn't change. Instead, it's te or ngā that expresses if there's only one thing or more. There are some exceptions, and just like English, they're almost all around people. For example, te tangata. The person. Ngā tāngata. The people. Te wahine. The woman. Ngā wahine. The woman. Te tamaiti. The child. Ngā tamariki. The children. We will talk more about people and family in another lesson. The word for this is tēnei. To say these, you drop the T. Ēnei. Tēnei ngeru. This cat. Ēnei ngeru. These cats. In Māori, there are two kinds of that. When you're speaking to someone, if the thing that you're speaking about is close to that person, you say tēnā. That. By you. If there's more than one thing, you drop the T. Ēnā. Those. By you. Tēnā manu. That bird. By you. Ēnā manu. Those birds. By you. If the thing you're talking about is away from you and also away from the person you're speaking to, you say tērā. That. Over there. And if there's more than one thing, you drop the T. Era. Those. over there. Tērā kuri. That dog, over there. Ērā kuri. Those dogs, over there. Let's practice. Tēnei ngeru. This cat. Tēnā ngeru. That cat, by you. Tērā ngeru. That cat, over there. Ēnei manu. These birds. Ēnā manu. Those birds, by you. Ērā manu. Those birds, over there. Tēnei kuri. This dog. Tēnā kuri. That dog, by you. Ērā kuri. Those dogs, over there. There you have it. Now you know how to differentiate between singular and plural in Māori. Ka kite.